Hey everyone, this is Henry from SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning. We are here in my storage here, and we have the new PRO+AQUA. And I already took it out of the box here. So basically this is it right here, the PRO+AQUA. And let me take this out. This is what comes with it. So it comes with the manual, as you can see right here. Then it has a extra hose here that connects on. So what I'm going to be using this for, and it has all these other adapters. So what I'm going to be using this for is to purify the water before it goes into my big tanks. So in order to do that, I had to buy something extra over here. Haven't even opened it up yet, but this is a filter system that's going to be used. And this filter system basically is going to be rejuvenating the tank itself. So I will be able to go out there and rejuvenate the tank by putting salt in this. It has its own little filter here. And oh, I got to open it up with this little solid piece right here. Let's see if I can get this open. There we go. All right. So this right here, we take this filter out, and then we use this right here and fill this up with some Morton salt. So we got the canisters that usually come in, the pure salt. You just pour it in here, 2 of them. That will fill this up. We will leave this out itself and then put this back in. So once this goes back in, this is full of salt, and we're gonna run it just like this, and this is gonna go into your tank, and this will bring back the resin that's in here, another 2,000 gallons that you can use after the resin is clean. I'll show you the process on this. But we are going to basically connect this to our 2 big tanks that we have in the van itself. And after that is done, after all the salt is dissolved, we simply just put this right back in its place. The filter, this filter comes with this piece here. I will leave all this in the description in case you guys want to go out and purchase this. You can, totally up to you. But I was just breaking this down today. This thing is really heavy, and this does not even have water in it yet. This is supposed to use about 2,000 gallons, from what I understand, deionized water, filtered water. And we wanted, like I said, I'm going to use this in replacement. Not in replacement, but in front of my tanks. So this right here, this membrane is going to take most of the solids first, and then it's going to go into here. Then it's going to go into 2 other big tanks. So it should be really good. When we get done with it, I'll show you guys the setup a little later, and we'll get that taken care of. But just in case you guys want to order this, go ahead and look in the description. I'll have that link there, and check it out. All right, with that being said, this is Henry from SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning. We'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya. Peace.